Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the new intersections replacement on Elementor container. This updated feature gives you powerful nested layout options, making it easier to build complex page structures without the old section limitations. Let's walk through this step by step. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and select Add Page, then click Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor editor where you'll be working with the new container system. Now look for the plus icon on a container or section where you want to create your nested layout. Click on that icon and a layout pop will appear. This is where you'll define the structure of your intersection. Select a layout that fits your design needs, such as 2 columns or 3 columns. This structure becomes the foundation for your nested elements. With your layout in place, it's time to add content. Select widgets from the left menu. For example, you can choose the image widget. Once you've selected it, click Choose Image. Here you have 2 options. You can upload files directly from your computer or select from your existing media library. Take a moment to pick the image that works best for your page. Next, place the image into both containers or sections you've created. This gives you visual content to work with and helps you see how the layout is shaping up. Now comes the important part, customizing the container settings to perfect your design. Click the container handle, which looks like 6 dots, to select the container. Then head over to the Layout tab in the left panel. This is your control center for adjusting how elements are arranged inside the container. In the Layout tab, adjust the direction setting. You can choose row for horizontal alignment or column for vertical alignment, depending on how you want your content to flow. Below that, you'll see the gap setting, which controls the spacing between your inner elements. Adjust this to create breathing room or tighter layouts based on your design preferences. You can also adjust the width based on what works best for your layout. Maybe you want a full width design or perhaps a more contained, centered look. Play around with these settings until everything aligns with your vision. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click the button beside the Publish button at the upper right of the page. From there, select Save Draft. This saves your progress without making the page live, so you can come back and refine it later if needed. And that's it. You've successfully used the new intersections replacement on Elementor container to build a flexible, nested layout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.